processor is a very critical component of a computer. But in a processor, ALU is all that matters. ALU is the arithmetic logic unit. So all ALU does is subtract and add. And it sometimes uses the AND or the OR combination. But at the end of the day, all it does is it subtracts and adds the bits and it keeps moving the bits. That's all arithmetic logic unit does. So earlier days, when you think of processor, every processor has to be clubbed with RAM. Obviously, you will fix the RAM separately in a motherboard. But also comes a graphical card. That's where all the graphical image has to be processed. So now the graphic part of it, the graphic computation of it has been moved to another a graphical processor, which is called GPU, graphical process unit. So it comes with its own size of RAM. So it deals with the whole graphics part of your computer's need. I mean, if you're watching a video, or say you're playing a game, or if you're editing, all this has been handled by the GPU. Now there is also NPU, which is a neural processing unit. The neural unit is responsible for all the AI computations that happen, especially in the smartphone world of things. And whatever we discuss now is similar to these different devices. Now just look at this image. When this image was captured, the smartphone was able to understand that this is a lady, it's a human. So that has been focused, and the other things have been blurred in the background. That's actually done by a neural engine, which basically understands what object it is. It's basically a side of things. So it has so many combinations of images, and it understands how an image or an object could be detected. So that's the neural engine's job. And if you see, the Apple also has an image signal processor. That's how these colors, right? I mean, if you look at it, when you're shooting this image in your smartphone, the color might be different, but it actually processes. You might see some phones take some time to process. You can actually see that. And Apple's way of things is it has moved to a unified memory where the RAM, you don't see the RAM mentioned anywhere. So the RAM has been a unified RAM these days in the Mac machines, and there is a nanometer processor. So this is nothing but a Apple's processor. So that's how the world of processor keeps advancing.